clause 13. There is no amendment in clause 13.
May the chair allow me to put the amendment in clause 13?
13?
13, 1-3 में sir.
Yes, ठीक है, मैंने समझो पीछा गुजर गया.
Sir, मान जाओ ना.
There is an amendment in clause.
Sir, मैं पढ़ देता हूँ.
हाँ पढ़ें.
Sir, in clause 13, sir, in article 191A, titled as Constitutional Benches of Supreme Court, clause 2 of 191A may be substituted and read as such. The most senior judge amongst judges nominated under clause 1 shall be called the most senior judge of the constitutional benches. And sir, in clause 4 of this, इसी में sir, 3 के B में आप सर कर दिया जिसको काट दिया उसको सब्स्टिट्यूट कर दिया. क्लॉज 3 के B में सर आफ्टर द वर्ड्स order of a high court in the second line passed under article 199, these words may be deleted. It would be read as the appellate jurisdiction of Supreme Court under clause 3 of article 185, where a judgment or order of a high court involves constitutionality of any law or substantial question of law as to interpretation of the constitution. It would be read as under. There is one other in clause 4. The word presiding may be deleted and most senior judge of the constitutional benches be added.
Okay. I now put the amendment to the House.
No.
Those who are in favor of the amendment may say aye.
Aye.
Those against it, the amendment say no. I think the ayes have it, the amendment is adopted unanimously. The question 13 do form part of the bill. All those members who are in favor of these clauses as amended may rise in their seats. Count to be made.